a phenomenon. So art is a whole different metaphysical phenomenon by itself. Phenomenological phenomenon, the structure of consciousness and the human experience. So, as a research scientist, I have a special interest in music. And I always had an interest in art because I couldn't understand why. If you look at all of our great predecessors, all of them were grounded in some kind of art, from Da Vinci to Picasso to everyone was in there was something in art, and I realized what it is, and I think it's fascinating. And especially surrealism, Salvador Dali. Surrealism is a fascinating phenomenon because Salvador Dali, man. What Salvador Dali did was something called the juxtaposition of the incongruous, the merging of the incompatible, taking two things that are mutually exclusive, placing them side by side and find a single common denominator they share. And what Salvador Dali did was he juxtaposed the subconscious with the dream state. This is what they call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects. There's no commonality. It's like a bicycle and a milkshake. Just two contrasting images that somehow this artist's creativity allowed him to juxtapose these two disparate